thinly sliced beef, marinated, dipped in egg, and fried to golden brown perfection in this Ono Korean Hawaiian plate lunch dish. Aloha mai kako, my name is Relle and welcome to my kitchen where I like to share all my favorite island and Hawaiian style recipes. And today we'll be making meat jun. Meat jun is a Korean dish made popular here in Hawaii that goes perfectly in your plate lunch dish. First, you'll want to make a marinade. So to a bowl, you're going to add shoyu. I like to use the low sodium shoyu, but you can use any one you want. Shoyu is a Japanese style soy sauce. Then you'll want to use sugar, white or brown, and then some garlic that's finely minced. You can use a garlic press for that if you'd like, and some mirin, and then some sesame oil. And then all you're gonna do is mix that up, and that's your marinade. Simple ingredients, but delicious taste. So after you got your marinade mixed, you'll go ahead and put the beef in. The beef, you'll wanna make sure you use a thin cut. Sirloin works, you can get teriyaki cut, any one you want. So we'll go ahead and place it in, and then we're gonna let this sit for about 2 hours. You can leave it overnight if you want. The longer you leave it, the more flavor soaks into the meat. But if you're in a rush, 2 hours in the fridge is good. So once the meat has finished marinating, then we'll get the oil ready and dredge up the meat. So into a pan set over medium-high heat, you'll add your cooking oil of choice. You can use vegetable, canola, avocado, totally up to you. You'll want to try and cover the bottom of the pan. So as the oil heats up, we'll prepare the dredging. So the meat has marinated into the first bowl or shallow dish tray. You'll go ahead and add some flour. Into the second shallow tray, you're gonna add some eggs. And then you'll wanna mix this up until it's well combined. So here, the flour will act as a binder. So you'll take the meat, you'll dredge it in flour, and then in the egg, and then it'll go into the hot oil and fry until golden brown. So we'll go ahead and take the meat and we'll dredge it. You wanna drip off the excess marinade so that it's not too wet. And then that'll go straight into the flour. You can just kind of pat it down like this, and then you can flip it over and get the other side. Shake off the excess flour, and then it'll go into the egg. Since these pieces are cut pretty large, we'll fry up one at a time. You don't want to crowd the pan. We'll move it a little bit closer so we don't make too much of a mess. And after you dredge it like this, it'll go straight into the oil. It'll just take a few minutes on each side, 1-2 minutes, depending how thick your meat is cut, to fry up to golden brown until the meat is ready. So after just a few minutes, the meat jun is ready to flip. Again, it's thinly sliced beef, so it doesn't take very long. And then we'll just continue frying on that side until that side is done. After it's done frying on the second side and it's golden brown, you can take it off. The best is to place it on a paper towel to catch the excess oil. And now we'll make the delicious dipping sauce. For the dipping sauce, you'll just need 6 simple ingredients. You'll need shoyu, apple cider vinegar, sugar, finely minced garlic, green onion, and gochujang sauce. Gochujang is a Korean hot sauce. So you go ahead and add that in. It's a paste, so it'll kind of gotta scoop it out. Then all we have to do is mix this up until well combined. Meat jun is one of those dishes that my dad would get all the time as a plate lunch dish. And it's definitely something that my husband enjoys as well. But instead of going out to eat it, you totally can make this at home. It's really easy. And that's how you make meat jun. If you like this recipe and want to check out other plate lunch dishes, then check out this playlist here. And until next time, ahui ho!